See, we all have dreams in life. Some of us dream big, some of us dream small. See, Hamlet had a dream. His dream was to avenge his father's death and become king of Denmark. Some of us have dreams and other things, though. So my Hamlet extra credit rap, hope you enjoy it. To rap or not to rap, that is the question. It's making my mind go insane, making it suffer the slings and blows of society. Time for me to take arms against my rivals, ending their career with my new single. I'm not dead, I'm alive. By a fall off to say career's end. Shivers in stadium arenas are the motivators. Flesh is not happening here, 'tis a dream many kids have. I'm not dead, I'm alive. To sleep, perchance to dream of a new Bugatti. This could be the end of my career, or if my chance to take the rap. What ideas may come to my head when I hit that stop button, gives me pause to ponder a new beat made by brand new. There's a respect that makes my dream a reality. Who would take the chance of spending all that time to go nowhere? The haters are wrong, the respecters are right. The pangs of my emotions, the love of the game, my friends, my brothers, all right here. The patient merit of optimistically making it. What a rapper might make of a garage band to grunt and sweat under a weary career. But the dread of giving up keeps me going. The undiscovered rapper, call it Danny Brown, reaches out to many with a positive influence. It makes us rather be thankful for what we have than fly to other partners we know not of. This failure makes a coward out of me, and thus the native hope of making it is a reality. With my negative thought, pictures of the limelight and the life may turn awry, but keep me right. Lose this negativity of my ability someday soon. The fair producers, find me in the orchard, be this song remembered.